Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add your OpenAI key to Cursor AI, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Open Coursera AI and log into your account. I'm using desktop here, version, but you can also use the Chrome version and web version. Click on this. Next to your name and free plan, click on Settings, and head over to Models on the left sidebar. Here you'll find API keys. Click on it, and here we find the field to enter your OpenAPI key. So to get your OpenAPI key, just head over to Google, type in OpenAI API key, and just click on the first link. You will get directly to the OpenAI platform. Come to log in to your Google account, and here you will get access to your OpenAPI key here. Just an API key, and click on Create New Secret Key. Name it name, for example, this is optional. Click on Create Secret Key, and here it is, guys. You OpenAI API key. Copy it and just paste it. Paste it here to your cursor here. This way you successfully created and connected API key to Cursor AI. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.